After the holiday feast, our stomach is tired and you might want to have something light to reset your body and regulate your appetite. Wakame soup is perfect for cleansing your body with its fiber and nourishing your body with its mineral, and of course, it's delicious. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. It's a long green onion with the dirt still attached. That means it's fresh and straight from the farm. Take it out from the bag and wash it under the cold running water. Peel the outer layer to make it clean. Cut off the green leaves. We use some for the garnishing and keep it for other uses like stir fries. It tastes so good. Make sure to remove any dirt inside the connected part. Long green onion is at its peak in winter, and when you cook it, it becomes so soft and sweet. If you cannot access it, use onion instead. This is a fresh wakame, but you can use rehydrated dried wakame. If that's the case, soak dry wakame in cold water and leave it for 10 minutes. Slice long green onion diagonally. Scrape the skin of the fresh ginger and shred thinly. Ginger will give a nice aroma and crunch. It warms up your body from head to toe. We always have long green onions and ginger to keep our body temperature high in winter to avoid catching a cold. Cut your wakame into bite-sized pieces. And beat 1 large egg. Grind toasted white sesame seed until half done. White sesame seeds adds a nutty aroma without adding any oil and makes the soup so satisfying. All the ingredients are ready, so let's start cooking. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil and add 1 stick of dashi powder. To that, add ginger and green onion and cook for a few minutes until softened. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. I like to use light soy sauce called usukuchi to add umami without adding dark colors. If you don't have usukuchi in your kitchen, you can use regular soy sauce, which is dark in color. The regular soy sauce looks darker, but actually it contains less salt in it. So taste it, and if you feel it's not seasoned enough, add a little bit of salt to adjust to your taste. And once you are happy with the taste, add wakame to the pot. You don't want to cook too long to keep wakame's crispy texture. And give it a nice stir while you're drizzling the eggs, so you are going to have a fluffy egg. And as soon as you finish pouring all the eggs, stop cooking. You can use any dashi. You can use comb kelp dashi or katsuobushi dashi, or you can always replace it with the chicken broth if you want it to be richer. Transfer to a serving bowl and top with a generous amount of ground white sesame seed and chopped green part of the long green onion to add a nice kick. Every sip of the broth makes you feel comfortable, and I love the slippery texture of wakame. With every bite, you will feel the oceanic flavor, and the crunch of the ginger and sesame seed makes you feel like I'm doing very good things for my body. I'm sure that you will feel the same way. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the videos. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. For more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!